Hey everybody, it's I Want to Be Retro. Today we're going to take a look at running MkDocs, a read the docs alternative, in Docker. To begin, connect to the device where we're going to install Docker. We'll start by using apt-install to install a few prerequisite packages required to run Docker. Then we'll add the Docker GPG key and apt repository. Next, we'll use apt-install to install Docker, Docker Compose, and Containerd. With the Docker packages installed, we'll make sure the Docker service is started and enabled. Add the current user to the Docker group, then re-authenticate the current user for the group change to take effect. We're now ready to start running containers. We'll start by creating a working directory for MkDocs to use. Then we'll set ownership of the new working directory structure and set the permissions so the Docker container can write to it. Then using the docker run command, we'll create our MkDocs container. Open a web browser and navigate to the DNS or IP address of the Docker host, :8000. Welcome to MkDocs. MkDocs uses a YAML configuration file. If we go back to the terminal, we can edit the YAML file and add a theme to make it look like read the docs. Save the changes to the YAML file, then restart the Docker container for the change to take effect. Back in the web browser, refresh to see the new theme.